If you want the ultimate power from your ride, you need better control of your fuel. Instead of replacing your entire fuel system, improve your factory fuel pump's delivery capabilities with JMS's newest product, FuelMAX EZ, a fully automatic fuel pump voltage booster that monitors the signal that controls your fuel pump in real time. So you can increase your fuel output by up to 85% when you need it most. FuelMAX EZ gives you max gains in power and torque to dominate on the street, track, and trail. JMS FuelMAX EZ is specifically designed for 2005 to 2021 Ford Mustangs and F-150s. So that means easy, plug-and-play installation. It's made in the USA, and its sturdy aluminum alloy housing ensures it'll hold up. But at JMS Chips, we stand behind our product, so we back it with a lifetime warranty. More fuel, more power. FuelMAX EZ. Go to jmschip.com.